So collectors of old VHS videos usually find that at some time they end up with these mouldy ones and wonder how you can get rid of the mould. Well, this is an old tape, so I'm not going to pay too much care to it. Though when you do it yourself, obviously you're going to be careful. What you need is a knife inside the sock, and then we simply lift this up, slides up a little bit, just enough to get the knife in, and give it a little wipe like that, backwards and forwards. As you can see, it's quite bad here. Try and get this tight. Hold on. That's it. As you can see, it's coming off nicely. Move your knife around. Now, if you've got a artist brush, I mean, that's a lot better. I ain't got one though, so I'm doing it like this, as you can see, but it gets it off nicely, look. As I say, an artist brush, a lot better, because you can get it in there without moving the tape much. This is just as good if you've not got that. And just get it in, wipe like that. As you can see, nearly got it all. If you've got tough little bits like this, then let your sock go a bit loose. So build a little bit on it, but don't. I'm chasing this piece. That's it, that's out. And as you can see, we've now got rid of most of the mould. Just tiny couple of little bits there, look. So if you've got a paintbrush, it's a lot easier. But if not, just use sock and a knife, and be careful.